Summit County, Colo, CBS4, two avalanches that happened early Thursday are causing big problems in Colorado's high country. One was near Copper Mountain and it was so powerful it severed a gas main near the Conoco gas station close to the ski resort. Another slide happened at approximately 1 a.m. Colorado State Patrol said that one happened on Interstate 70 on Vail Pass. A tow truck got stuck in that avalanche but the driver is okay. CDOT crews were still working to clear the interstate at daybreak on Thursday. Interstate 70 is closed from Frisco to Vail. Comments.